In this question, the electric field components in the given figure are Ex equal to alpha x to the power half, Ey equal to Ez equal to 0, in which alpha equal to 800 Newton per coulomb meter square. Calculate flux phi E through the cube, this is a cube, and second, the charge within the cube, charge inside this cube. What is given? It is given that for this cube, electric field is along x-axis and it is alpha x to the power half. That is, electric field is along x-axis and it is position dependent. Right? It is not constant. If you are changing the value of x, Ex will also change. There is no electric field along y-axis and z-axis. And here alpha is constant and its value is given this much. We have to calculate the value of phi E here and charge inside this cube, where A, this is A and A equal to 0.1 meter. Okay. Now, in this question, what is given? Electric field along x-axis, alpha x to the power half, Ey equal to Ez equal to 0, alpha, the value of alpha is 800 Newton per coulomb meter square, and the value of this A is 0.1 meter. Now, consider this is which is placed here, and electric field is along x-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. There is no electric field along y-axis and z-axis, right? And we have to find out total flux through this and total charge inside this cube. Okay? Now, what is the formula for the flux? Flux phi E equal to E into delta S cos theta. Right? Now, for this assumed cube, right, this is the direction of the area vector and electric field is in this direction. So, what is the angle between area vector and electric field? 90 degree. And here theta is what? Angle between electric field and area vector. Then for this surface, flux will be 0. Remember, here theta is the angle between electric field and area vector. And here theta is 90 degree. For this surface, इसका जो opposite वाला surface है, उसके लिए भी क्या होगा? This is the direction of electric field and this is the direction of the area vector. Theta again will be 90 degree, flux will be 0. For this surface, area vector, upward direction, field in this direction, theta कितना होगा? 90 degree, and what will happen? Flux will be 0. For this surface, again, electric field in this direction, area vector in this direction, and theta will be 90 degree, flux will be 0. It means that you will not get flux from this surface, this surface, this surface, and this opposite surface. Right? Now, what will be flux about this surface, from this surface? Electric field in this direction, area vector is in this direction, theta will be 0. It means that for this surface, area vector and electric field both are in the same direction, and here theta will be 0. That is phi r equal to Ex delta S cos 0, that is phi r equal to Ex delta S. Now, substituting the value of Ex for this surface, this will be alpha x, the value of x is how much? 2a to the power half into this delta x. Clear? Now, plus for this surface, left surface, what will happen? For this surface, phi L equal to Ex delta S cos 180 degree. Why? Electric field is in this direction and ds is in this direction. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इधर है, एरिया वेक्टर इधर है, तो थीटा कितना हो जाएगा? 180 डिग्री. तो फाई एल इक्वल टू माइनस ई एक्स डेल्टा एस. एंड फॉर द this surface, Ex will be minus alpha, the value of x is how much? A to the power half delta s. ठीक है. Now, total flux phi equal to phi r plus phi l. That is alpha 2a to the power half delta s minus alpha a to the power half delta s. Correct? Now, phi equal to alpha delta s inside the bracket 2a to the power half minus a to the power half. Now delta S is what? Area of this face and area of this face. This will be a square because it is a cube of side A. Area of each face will be a square. Now phi equal to alpha a square to a to the power half minus a to the power half. Substitute the value of alpha from here and a from here. You will get phi equal to 1.05 Newton meter square per coulomb. When you will substitute the value of alpha and a, you will get this result. Now, charge phi equal to q upon epsilon naught. Q equal to phi into epsilon naught. Substitute the value of phi and the value of epsilon naught. You will get q equal to 9.27 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb. Right. Substitute the value of phi and epsilon and you will get this result. Now, do the next question. The electric field components due to charge inside the cube, this is a cube, of side 0.1 meter are shown. Ex equal to alpha x and alpha is equal to this much. Ey equal to Ez equal to 0. Now calculate total electric flux through this cube and total charge inside the cube. You have to calculate flux and charge inside this cube. This is 0.1 meter, this is 0.1 meter, this is a cube of side 0.1 meter. Electric field is along x-axis, but it is not constant, it is position dependent. And electric field along y-axis and z-axis is 0. Solve this question and give the answer. Thank you.